Hi, this is RizqFi, a trustless community saving platform built on Solana. Let me show you how it works. So this is the landing page of our RizqFi platform. Let's connect the Phantom wallet. So we will create a committee. Let's say I'll give it a name, Family Savings. To test, I'll give it $2. So total pool each round will be 10 USDC. So create. We have to confirm the transaction. Committee creation is progress. This may take 30 to 60 seconds. Then again, it asks for confirmation. We will give confirmation. And the committee created successfully. And it tells you have been added as the first member. Here we can see our trust score, the family savings committee we just created. We have 3 rounds. Joining phase, when all the members will join, it will move us to the deposit phase, then distribute payout. Now let me invite someone to join. Share invite, copy. With my other accounts, I will join the committees, join committee, paste the address and join. See, that's how anyone can join the committee with the invite code. Now we have all the 3 members. The committee moved to the deposit round. Now we have to contribute our USDC. We will click contribute, give confirmation, and successfully contributed to USDC. Now let me quickly contribute from the other accounts too. See, now the round 1 is completed. The payout is ready. All the contributions are stored in the committee vault, a PDA controlled token account. No one can access funds except through smart contract instruction. Once all the members contribute, the creator can distribute the payout. Successfully distributed 6 USDC to this wallet. This trust score is calculated in real time based on your contribution history across all committees. This creates accountability without revealing personal information. And that's risk by completely trustless community savings on Solana. Every transaction is on chain, transparent, and verifiable.